1935 Pierce Arrow Model 845 enclosed driver limousine. To think the company that started out making bird cages and bicycles ended up making some very luxurious high-end cars in the 30s and earlier. I think they ended up making them through 38, was it? This one's powered by a 385 cubic inch L-head 8-cylinder underneath the hood. We're going to check that out here in just a bit. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the bright work, chrome, bumper headlight surrounds, driving lights, horns, and just think, all of this in 1935. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on a bias ply wide white wall. Of course, with the Pierce Arrow 8 wheel covers and dual side mounts, if you noticed. Also a locking mechanism, kind of cool on that wheel cover with the side mount, black exterior. These side vents can open and close. For the engine compartment, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run here in just a bit. Sorry about some of the noise in the background too. Detail department finishing up some more cars to get pictured up and videoed here at Unique Classic Cars. But yeah, we're going to start this one up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay. We're even going to take it for a drive. Jason will show you how this one goes down the road. Does need a little TLC as far as the interior, maybe taking it to the next level, or if you want to drive it, enjoy it, have some fun with it the way it is. Not like you're going to come across a lot of these at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, but there's some spots like in the paint where there's a chip here or there, maybe it's a little bit thin. But again, you can see it has a nice shine to it. Wouldn't be embarrassed to take this to any shows. It's going to definitely be a head turner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's a few miscellaneous things, gaskets, parts, looks like parts to a carb, some exterior pieces, mirror, fire extinguisher. Anyway, you'll be able to see those in the still pictures also. Just want to point out there are going to be some extra things that will come along with this. Once again, take your time looking through those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into these, say, early to mid-30s luxury vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. From late model sports cars to turn of the century stuff to just some really rare cars also. So go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The vehicles, videos are uploaded daily. And when they're uploaded, they are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. Now you can see the paint on the driver's side. Also, nice shine to it, but there's a few spots where there may be a chip here or there. Let's take a look in this rear compartment. So jump seats, also footrests, rear passenger. Intercom system in this car. Privacy glass that can be rolled up by hand in between the compartments, between the front driver compartment and passenger compartment. And listen to how those doors sound when they close. Again, could use a little TLC in certain spots. A little could be used in the front seating area. Now, as far as starting this, I have the glove box open. There's a electric fuel pump switch in the glove box and a push button start underneath the dash. So let's go ahead and turn that electric fuel pump on. You can see this ignition switch. We're going to engage the ignition switch right there. Push button start is under the dash on this side. Again, 6-volt system, so it'll turn over slow and then fire up. If you can hear that run, let's take a look at the gauges here. The oil pressure gauge here, amp meter, temperature. I wouldn't expect that to be up. It was a cold start. Pretty cool. Old interior, 1935. Speaker for the intercom system from the back. Again, hear that door close. I don't know if you can hear this run. It's running. Let's slip up to the front and we'll open these hood panels so you can see this engine bay running in case you don't believe me, because you can barely hear it. Hang on, let me get them open. Oh, wow, the weight of those side panels for the hood alone, lifting them up. It's like what a car weighs today. All right, here it is. Check this thing out. Isn't that crazy how quiet that is? And again, 385 cubic inches. Let's look around over here to the passenger side. Maybe it's a little bit noisier over here, the exhaust manifold side. Old Stromberg carb. Pretty cool. 1935 Pierce Arrow, model 845 enclosed driver limousine. Unique classic cars.com. Check out all the still pics. 507-386-1726, number to call. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very special 1935 Pierce Arrow limousine. You really don't see very many of these, and when you do, they don't look as nice as this one. We've got the hood ornament, the very cool hood ornament, mostly intact, but for the part of the bow. Turn signal indicator has been added. This is a 3-speed manual on the floor, which makes it easier than some of those other cars that are 3 on the tree. Very smooth, very quiet exhaust note on this limousine. You do manually turn the blinker off after use. Our amp meter is towards the top of the gauge, so it is charging well. This car is equipped with a clock. I cannot tell if that's moving. Temperature is about 150, and it's been holding there for a while. So she does run nice and cool on the gauge. Fuel gauge is showing empty. The oil pressure gauge is showing 40, so that looks great. If you can drive a manual transmission, you can drive this car. Crank windows makes it easy. Amazing this thing survived. Bench seat up front, lots of space in the rear, then a bench seat in the rear for your dignitaries to ride. Multi-position sun visors. Brakes are working well. We'll go down to second for the roundabout. corners nicely. Very luxurious ride from this rare car. Be sure to check out all the pictures, read the descriptions, and give us a call if you have questions. 507-386-1726 and our website, uniqueclassiccars.com.